Introducing the HIEMT Pelvic Chair, a breakthrough in pelvic health therapy. Imagine offering your patients a revolutionary, non-invasive solution to pelvic floor weakness, incontinence, and postpartum recovery, all without surgery, discomfort, or downtime. The HIEMT Pelvic Chair is here to change the game. With no consumables, no servicing requirements, and a 24-month warranty, the HIEMT Pelvic Chair is a one-time investment that delivers continuous value. Plus, with free Australia-wide shipping, there's never been a better time to introduce this breakthrough therapy to your patients. Designed for women's health, urology, and rehabilitation, this TGA-approved medical device harnesses high-intensity electromagnetic technology, HIEMT, to strengthen pelvic floor muscles, restore function, and provide relief from conditions like urinary incontinence and pelvic pain. For years, women suffering from pelvic floor dysfunction have had limited options, often invasive or uncomfortable. Now, with the HIEMT Pelvic Chair, you can offer a comfortable, effective, and science-backed therapy that delivers results in just a few sessions. Join the future of pelvic health. Help your patients regain confidence, comfort, and control with the HIEMT Pelvic Chair. Contact us today to bring this cutting-edge technology into your clinic and revolutionize the way you approach pelvic health therapy.